In this module, you're going to build a Flex application that retrieves data from a database and displays it. Employee data will be displayed on one page of the application, and department data on the other. By following the instructions below, you'll create a new Flex project and then define the user interface for the application. You'll start by going to the File menu in Flash Builder and selecting New Flex Project. In the New Flex Project dialog box, you'll specify the project name as Test Drive, and then specify the application server type that you're using. This could be PHP, Java, or ColdFusion. You'll then need to specify the web root and root URL properties for your server. After doing so, you'll click the Validate Configuration button to verify everything's working okay. Flash Builder will then go ahead and create the Flex project for you and display the main application mxml file for your project, in this case testdrive.mxml. You're going to switch to design mode and then use the components view to drag and drop UI controls onto the design surface. For this application, you're going to need a label, 2 button controls, and also a data grid. You'll then use the Properties view to set properties for each of the controls. For the label control, we'll change the text. And also adjust the text size. For the first button, you'll need to give it an ID and also change the label to Employees. You'll also need to give the second button an ID and change its label to Departments. You may need to adjust the user interface if required. Finally, you'll need to give the data grid an ID as well. Each of these components have been given IDs so that later on we can reference them when using ActionScript. If you then change to source mode, you'll see the code that Flash Builder has written for you. For each of the controls we drag to the design surface, you can see that Flash Builder has created an mxml tag for that particular control. By clicking in one of the tags and pressing the spacebar, Flash Builder will give you a list of the properties available for the component. In this case, we want to specify the color of the label control. You can hover over the tag for the control to see basic information about the tag. If you want to get more information about each of the properties available for a control, you can turn on Dynamic Help and then click on the tag to get a link through to the relevant API documentation. Finally, you'll go ahead and run the application. You can do this in Flash Builder by clicking on the Run button. You'll be prompted to save, and then Flash Builder will open up the browser and display the application user interface running inside a Flash player.